Suck your mother with a straw. You don't have nothing else for blood clot, so you're shame. So you have to try turn the tables now to make yourself look blood clot good. Suck your mother. Couple hours before, you weren't saying those things. Couple hours before, you know what you did I say? You did I say blood clot and me, I'm one king of the upper, me I get number one, man. Them now get it. And you did a hype and you brag. But now that everybody take it away from you now, and you say you're there number two and it's hard for you to catch up, you start change around now, but as something like, you never know, say, so competition did for us from the get-go when you used to hype. You never know, say, so competition supposed to go on from the get-go when you did that hype. Why you know, say, I saw it for go because them fling you down a blood clot number two. And let me tell you something. As much as our rebel do not like mix up, and rebel not like drama, and I shouldn't like her name in a passa because you make a blood clot number one and get take tonight. And it clear. And then I try mix her up, guys. Me and her sit down and talk and she not tell me she go for number one, but it clear. And because of you make them a take the blood clot number one tonight. And because of you too make blood clot universe and thing a flash over there. Because the people them now why you get the number one. Because you look a bit of your bad mind. If I did blood clot hobby still upon the blood clot board. You know much people that go over there go support and me have couple lions for go blood clots in her. That's why I ask her today. I say, Fabi, you ever get number one? You think me just ask her so? I ask her for a reason. I ask her today with a blood clot, big steer in here. Fabi, you ever get number one? And she said, no. I said, girl, tell me the truth. You ever get number one? What do you think me this a question her for? And when she said, no, she never get it. I'm going to come send her some blood clot line and you come take it over from the girl and you make the girl go and see how come I work. Somebody come. I say, I pray rebel don't sleep tonight.